our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use CapCut templates to grow faster. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use CapCut templates to grow faster, all you gotta do is simply go to CapCut, and now using CapCut templates help you grow so much faster. So you can simply go and tap on your template section, and there you can simply select any of the template that you want. After selecting it, you can simply adjust your video frame accordingly, so you can significantly find reducing your editing time by using the templates, allowing for more consistent posting and leveraging trending formats, sounds and effects to maximize discoverability on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. So if you're gonna do this, then you will be able to use your CapCut templates to grow faster. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.